Where we keep most of, where we keep all of our trach patients. And then when we go down to this side is where the ventilators are.
Sara Lyons is a registered respiratory therapist and manages the ventilation unit at St. Augustine's Health Ministries, a floor that might not always see positive outcomes. But today,
this patient in particular, who they said was going to die, is actually going to go home with her family. So this is one of the ventilators that we use.
Ventilators are devices that assist a patient who is unable to breathe because their lungs can't function on their own. Due to COVID-19, we saw many patients need the help of ventilators.
A lot of the patients that we get right now, due to COVID, we take COVID recovery patients.
St. Augustine's Health Ministries was founded in the 1960s, caring for critically ill and older adults, now expanding to so much more.
So when they're on this side and they're on the ventilators, they will be in one of these rooms.
Lyons strives to do all she can to be there when families need her most.
It's really hard to see the family go through that. You almost feel like you're part of their family. It's not unusual to see us crying with family members and they're holding their hands.
Holding their hands.
There's a lot of different ways I can empathize with them a lot.
And providing support.
We currently have 19 ventilators in-house and 14 trach patients.
Meaning that this floor requires around-the-clock care.
Because we have a vent dialysis unit, there has to be a registered respiratory therapist here 24 hours a day.
Those therapists, all trained by Lyons with one goal.
Whatever we can do to make them more comfortable, that's what we do.
Care workers here say putting the patients first is something each one of these staff members do. Dana Carnes,
the staff are really superheroes,
is the advancement director and has been here for more than 20 years.
They come in here and they give their hearts and their souls. They leave families behind every day and they come in here to take care of somebody else's family.
And for Lyons, she wouldn't have it any other way.
But that is probably one of the most rewarding things here, is seeing a family member's face when they hear their loved one's voice for the first time.
Here at St. Augustine's Health Ministries, their mission is to provide quality care, but they can't do that without support from people like you. Coming up, they have a golf outing and a festival where you can support them. In Cleveland, for Spectrum News 1, I'm Dominic Ferrante.